like we're backing up. Everyone accidentally put the back two wheels. Z-Tang-C fell down. Normally drive forward. You can't drive it up no matter how you drive it. Because of the suspension and shock absorber, it's all slippery underneath. Even if you find a car to pull it over, it will also break the suspension, and it may not be able to be pulled up. Now I will teach you. One person can easily drive the car on top of each other. It's very simple. We just need to take the spare in the car. Tap lightly to light up the front. You can easily drive it up. But now it's a bit dangerous to take a few years ago. We just need to release the rear seats. Release the brakes here. Then go in from here. Just take out the cleaning. After we take out the tap, be sure to light up the front first. Why do I order the front and not the middle? And here's what you'll see when you look down. You start by tapping this little groove. Aim for the first layer below, then just light it up. Show it now. Freedom. Freedom. Okay, it's lit up in front now. Then there is such a high analysis later. Let's take a stone and put the tabletop on it first. And you lower the front down. Look, there's a gap in the back now. Wait a minute. Let's ask him to tap the back, push up the back, and then raise it a little higher. The car can be driven out. Now, let's put that over there. Push it up like this. Set the stone. Freedom. Freedom. Now this position is not high enough. Advance and order goods. We're going to keep pushing the front higher. Convert it to a bigger stone door and set it high. Now we've done step 1. Although the suspension at the back has been raised, but still haven't gone out yet. Because here the tires are still so high from the flap. Prove that the tire is not cracked. You're not going out yet. Now we move on to step 2. Keep going back higher. Why should I order to stones? Instead of choosing a tall stone, just nail it here. Because then, order to stones and he won't hurt the car. When our car is going forward, the top rock will follow. He will fall, then the wheels closed. Okay, now put this down. Freedom. So we've set the stone. Next, just put it in forward gear and drive forward. He can come up easily, and it worked. But I hope you never have to use it. Follow me and see how I shoot it. Freedom. You see, it's official now. The car is coming too. Just take the stone out.